So gusto ko lang i-share kanina na nasa elevator ako tapos bigla siyang na-drop from the third floor to basement 2. So ngayon naiiyak ako kasi naghiwa nga ako ng sibuyas. So yung sibuyas, mga half cup, sautein nyo until it's translucent. And then take 1/4 kilo each of ground pork and ground beef and add some breadcrumbs soaked in milk. Add in your sauteed onions, garlic, chopped parsley, some salt. Baka naninibago kayo, wala tayo masyadong dirty commentaries. Ayoko kasi it's asin. Paminta. And some nutmeg. Kung wala kayong nutmeg, you can just skip this. Pero honestly, pwede kayong bumili. Tapos parmesan. Tapos lagyan nyo isang itlog, nakalimutan ko i-video. Tapos ihalo nyo very gently. Huwag masyadong aggressive kasi titigas yung balls. Once everything is well incorporated, you can form your meat into balls para magkaroon ka ng meatballs. Make sure na basa yung kamay mo para hindi dumikit yung meat sa kamay mo. Tapos again, be gentle with it. Hindi kailangan super perfect ng balls niya as long as parang medyo compact lang siya. Again, the more you manhandle the balls, lalo siyang titigas. And shallow fry these meatballs on all sides. Kailangan lang ma-brown yung labas niya. Hindi kailangan fully cooked through siya kasi lulutuin pa natin siya sa sauce mamaya. So once you're done frying your balls, magsasaute lang tayo ng garlic and onion in olive oil. And then add some diced canned tomatoes. Season with salt and some pepper, more paminta. Add some brown sugar. So boil that for 5 minutes and then add back in your meatballs and boil that again for another 15 minutes until it's fully cooked through. So after 15 minutes, add some basil leaves and then mix everything together one last time and it's ready to serve. And top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Now, from the heat of the balls, dapat magme-melt na yung cheese. Pero kung ayaw niya mag-melt, pasok niya sa microwave. And there you have it. That's the recipe. Actually, pag tinan niya, bubuksan kayo mamaya. Sobrang juicy niya sa loob. Pasensya na wala ako masyadong commentaries ngayon. Medyo shocked pa ako sa pag-drop ng elevator. Anyway, cute niya, diba? Instagrammable.